What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, I have a second part to add on to that Morgan Stanley price target. More information has been provided with the summary of that analyst. We're going to be going over that, and we're going to be looking at the growth projections for SoFi. There's some crazy numbers that we're going to talk about, guys, and I believe the price targets that they're putting out are significantly undervalued. We could easily see SoFi rally to $50 plus inside of 2022. I'm going to continue to stick to those price targets. And we're about to get a massive inflow of SoFi investors onto the YouTube platform. If you search SoFi stock right now at the top of YouTube, Stock Goat is the #2 YouTube channel in the world covering SoFi right now, behind CNBC. So guys, I need your help. Let's try and get past CNBC. Be sure to smash the like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to drop a comment. Are you invested in SoFi? What are your price targets? And once again, I want to say thank you to everyone that subscribed to the channel already. We are growing really fast. Let's try and get this channel past 7,000 subscribers. And I'll start doing some live streams once we get past 10K. This is going to be a great video. You're going to be very excited. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, very important. We can see the indexes right now are pretty much in the red, tanking really quickly. These were actually all green earlier in the day. SoFi, I believe, was up around 14%. Pulled back just a little bit, under 12% right now. We could easily see a pullback, maybe under 10%, but these dips continue to get bought up very quickly. But the biggest thing I really like is we are absolutely running through the indexes. That is the goal in a growth stock. You want to separate yourself from those indexes, and that's exactly what SoFi is doing. SoFi is not letting the indexes pull itself down right now, and I'm really loving the strength. Volume is going bananas right now, guys. 51 million volume, average is 20 million. This is absolutely insane. Imagine the type of volume we could see when the bank charter approval officially goes through, guys. Yes, I understand the stock is really running today, and that might hinder, the run on a bank charter, but I still believe the bank charter is going to push us up 15 to 20% very easily. That is a massive, massive confidence boost for the big money hedge fund in Wales. The bank charter is going to get SoFi to profitability much faster, and it just brings investors confidence that the company is going to be in a great fundamental standpoint. And once again, if you are new to SoFi, this is the one-stop shop platform. This is their investing platform right here. You can see I have a small position in SoFi right now in this account. I have multiple other accounts. If you want to get $25 in free stock, all you have to do is deposit $100. You're going to get $25 for free directly from SoFi. The link is in the comment section, and basically it is free money. All right, guys, this is the summary details of the price target analysis from Morgan Stanley, okay? The analyst was Betsy Grassick. So this just came out, so I have to do a second part of the video I just posted. The analyst says SoFi is likely to generate strong revenue growth as it gains a share in the consumer financial service wallet, according to Morgan Stanley. SoFi technology analyst Betsy Grassick initiated coverage of SoFi Technologies with an overweight rating and a price target of $25. The SoFi technology thesis, although competition in the fintech space is rising, that is completely true. There's tons and tons of fintechs popping up, but SoFi is leading with lending, specifically refinancing a high-yield student loan into a lower rate. Grassick said in the initiation note, lending generates higher customer loyalty, and lending first model generates customer leads with SoFi's other services, she wrote. Once again, guys, SoFi is building customer loyalty. They are providing multiple services after, student loan refinancing, which is what the company started with, 5+ years ago. They have tons and tons of different, products now, and customers are cross-buying into those different types of products. Now, this is where it gets really exciting. This is what I'm going to go into more detail later on in the video. We expect SoFi's customer base can double in the next 2 years from 2.6 million to 5.3 million. After more than doubling over the past year from 1.2 million, the analyst commented. So guys, understand SoFi just had 100% customer growth. They're saying they're about to drop to 50% customer growth because they're growing so fast. That is where I have a different point of view from these expert analysts. They do not comprehend the marketing team behind SoFi. Understand that the NFL Stadium just got up and running in Q3. The NFL Stadium had less than 1 month into their Q3 numbers. Q4 will finally be the first earnings report with 3 solid months of NFL marketing. Financial service revenue growth is a key driver of our growth model. We are looking for 150% compound annual growth rate over the next 2 years as SoFi doubles its customer set and expands its product offerings. So guys, it's very important to cover what the analysts say. That's why I love reading up on these summaries for you guys. And the big thing that I want to look at, guys, is the customer growth, the user growth. They expect SoFi to double from the 2.6 million to 5.3 million, but in 2 years. In my opinion, this could potentially happen in 1 year. So they could be way off. We could see price targets go through the roof if SoFi capitalizes on the customer growth during the NFL season. And I'm telling you right now, a big part of that is going to be because of this lady right here, Lauren Stafford Webb, Chief Marketing Officer. She has finally found the marketing that has clicked with SoFi. As you can see, they continue to run the exact same commercials. There's an old saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. If it ain't broke, don't fix it is a phrase that means if something is functioning properly, it's probably best to just leave it alone and not make any changes that could potentially break it. I'm telling you right now, SoFi has found the perfect marketing for their customer base. And once again, guys, that leads with this commercial right here. This is their money maker. I cannot play the audio because, the YouTube algorithm flags the audio. But guys, this is their moneymaker. This is the commercial you're going to continue to see day in and day out. And I'm telling you, I believe user growth is going to accelerate. They have their money dance. This is trending on TikTok with over 6 billion views, guys. Listen to me right now. 6 billion views. That is basically the entire planet. The NFL Power Rankings just came out. The LA Chargers are ranked 7th in the league right now, 4-1. The NFL Stadium is a big marketing tool, but the teams are dominating. They also have 2 teams. I'm telling you right now, I believe user growth is going to accelerate. Los Angeles Rams is ranked number 2 in the league right now. The Rams made a rebound in the division, coming back with a strong half and shutting down the Seahawks. Their teams are firing on all cylinders. That's exactly what you want to look for. This is what we're going to really focus in on this video, guys, the members and millions. And as you can see right here, we had members go from 1.5 million to 1.8 to 2.2 to 2.56. I broke it down for you to see the acceleration of growth and the different numbers that they're doing each earnings report. So we can see right here, they had 350,000 member growth Q3 2020 to Q4 2020 with no NFL. It actually accelerated to 431,000 members Q4 2020 to Q1 2021. And then we saw a dip in members, 279,000 growth from Q1 2021 to Q2 2021. So I believe right now, this is where they were really figuring out their marketing tactics prior to the NFL season starting up. Remember, guys, there was no NFL in Q2. Q2 to Q3, there was only 1 month of the NFL season. So I believe we're going to see a significant push in member growth with that NFL marketing with the SoFi Stadium. 2 teams, they are finally clicking on their marketing commercials. They found their moneymaker. And we can see Morgan Stanley expects members to grow from 2.6 to 5.2 million members in the next 2 years. That's about 50% growth per year. How can we get to 5.2 million members in the next 12 months, guys? That is going to be 650,000 members per the next 4 quarters, guys. So we're going to have to see a significant boost. And understand, they were doing about 400,000, last year, it looks like. So we're going to have to see a big push during the NFL season. I believe this next quarter, we could really see 500,000 members. That is definitely possible. And then leading up to Super Bowl, we could see a massive push. I did a video on Super Bowl weekend, the Super Bowl night. We could easily see 1 million members added to the platform in Q1 2022. That is definitely possible. So understand, we're going to have to see a big push in members. This is what SoFi was already doing. So drop a comment what you think the member growth could be with this NFL marketing starting up in Q3, about 1 month out of the 3 months. I believe we're going to see over 500,000. So we're just going to have to wait. But I'm telling you right now, Morgan Stanley could definitely be underestimating the marketing from SoFi. This could actually happen in 1 year if we see the Super Bowl and the money dance actually come to place. And once again, guys, we still have massive upside, with 6 analysts, still 34%. And understand, none of these analysts have the bank charter approval priced into their price targets. So we could easily see $30 to $35 plus after a bank charter. And once again, I continue to get a lot of comments. I do not know if the bank charter is going to come before or after earnings. We are just going to have to, wait it out. And understand SoFi, has not made any announcements this entire year, guys. This company has been extremely quiet. Once that bank charter goes through, I'm telling you, they could drop acquisitions after options onto the platform. There's a lot of exciting things, but understand, I believe SoFi is the most undervalued and fastest growing fintech on the market right now. And guys, just looking at these valuations of all of these companies that went the IPO route, Sentinel One, Snowflake, Robinhood, and Affirm. All of these companies are literally, neck and neck in revenue. Robinhood is the only one with higher revenue. Look at the price to sales valuations on these companies right now. Affirm is at a 40x, Snowflake 87x, Sentinel One 84x. These are both cloud companies. And Robinhood right now is about 19x, with revenue expected to decelerate from what the analysts were saying because they had such high crypto levels of volume of trading. So, guys, SoFi right now is the most undervalued company out of all of these other massive IPOs right now. So we could easily see a double from here and also a double into 2022. I'm going to continue to stick to my price target of $50 inside of 2022. That would imply a 19x multiple if they can get to $2 billion in revenue. And if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing these videos for you. The SoFi buzz is continuing to build up. Imagine where the buzz is going to be at in a year from today. We could have a massive cult following with the SoFi stock. And I'm already telling you right now, the hedgies, the whales, they love this stock. I've showed you in multiple videos. They are loading extremely aggressive at these low price ranges. So all you have to do is diamond hands and buy the dips when you can. Once again, my name's Kyle. I hope you have a great day.